What's up, guys? So welcome back to the channel. This is how you're going to score a deer. So where you're going to start, I mean, you can do it in any order you want, but you want to start with your brow tine measurements. So your tine measurements, we start here. We're getting about 2 inches for our brow tines, right? So we're going to come over here, add 2. And it's things typical, so we're at another 2. So we're 4 inches. Then we're going to come over here and get our G2 measurement. We're getting about 7.25. So you're gonna go ahead and add that. Gonna go next over here to your G3. We're getting about 8.25 inches. Come around to our G4. And we're getting about 7.25. Come over here again. You're basically just gonna measure the tine length of every single point, every tine. This one, I can grab it. It's about 2.5. Do the same thing over here. So we already measured this brow tine. It's identical to the other one, so I just left it at that. This tine right here, 7.25 inches. Plus this one, you're gonna keep going. You're go G1's your brow tine, then you go G2, G3, G4, so on. Next one, 8.5 inches. Oh shoot. Hold on. Sorry. 8.5 plus. Come over, just keep doing the same thing. Get about 8 inches. Same thing here. .25 inches. So now you've done all the individual tine measurements. So what you want to do is come over here, and you're going to measure the length of this whole beam right here. It's from here all the way down. It's kind of harder on a mount, but same thing here. Just a second. Go all the way around. Keep doing the same thing. And we are getting 21.5 inches. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. Just 21.5 plus. Same thing on this side. Same thing we just did. Start down here. Put it on 0. About right there. All the way around. So just keep going. And we are getting 22. So it's a little bit longer. But this thing's almost like a perfect typical. So now we're at 100.75 inches. And we're gonna do our mass measurement. So your mass measurement is the like this all the way around. Circumference. Come here. Same thing for each thing. We're getting 3 inches there. Plus 3. Come over here. And we're getting 4 plus. Basically just doing it for in between each tine. You're gonna take a mass measurement. Sorry, this thing's broken. It's kind of hard to do. 3.5. I just did that one, right? So I'll do this one. 4 plus. Obviously, you need a diameter tape to do this, but it's also harder because mine's broken. 3. Do our last one right here. 2.5. Do the exact same thing on this side. Um, 3.5. Oh, 4. Four. All right, come around. Come around. That's what you wanted to do. Same thing there. 4 inches. I just did this one right. So here. About 3.5. And you're gonna measure everything in 1/4 inches. So just round up. And then here, we're gonna have 4.5. And then obviously you can measure this little kicker right here. If you come around here, Charlie, you got a little kicker right here. So we're gonna measure that as well. Say that's about 1 inch. Then once you do that, you need to get your inside spread. So you go from here, you put this at 0, and you're gonna measure all the way to over here. So if you look, come around here. Our inside spread is about 17 inches. So we add that. We're gonna get 157.75. So that's our score here. You go your time lengths from G1s all the way so on, however many points you have. The length of this whole beam right here, all the way around. Then you get your mass measurements between each point, like these. And then lastly, you're gonna need your inside spread. So the 2 widest points on your deer, that's where you measure it from. And once you add all that, you get your gross score, which is 157 3/4 on here. So